Hello learners, today we will start grammar chapter number 10, present tense. Tense indicates the time of action or a state of being in the past, present or future. The three main tenses are the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. The present tense is used to refer to an action or state of being at the time of speaking. The past tense expresses an action that has already taken place or referred to a state of being that existed before the time of speaking. The future tense refers to a state of being or an action that is expected at a certain time in the future. Each tense has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Okay, like present, like simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now first one is the simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense is used to show a habitual action, like he reads the newspaper daily, habitual action. Okay, to express a universal truth, like sun rises in the east. Okay, all the planets of the solar system revolve around the sun. To express an action that takes place at present or at the time of speaking. To show a future event that is already planned, like the Commonwealth Games begin next month. To indicate professional activities, rituals, likes and dislikes, like Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja with great fervor. He enjoys paneer tikka. To write headlines for newspaper reports, tsunami devastated Japan. In proverb which states some permanent truth. Example, a stitch in time saves 9. To express natural process, qualities or activities related to any profession, like green vegetables are rich in fiber. Acrobats show various tricks to entertain spectators. Form of simple present tense with I, we, you, they. Okay, we have to use first form of verb, like I read, you read. Okay, and with he, she, it we have to use first form of verb plus s or es, like he reads, she reads. Okay, understand? Now question number 1, read the following groups of words and match words of column A with words in column B. Rewrite the complete sentences. Okay, first one, people who are creative. People who are creative like to paint, dance and write poems. The Grand Prix sends a wave of excitement through the spectators. The Olympics brings sports persons from 5 continents together. World Cup Soccer is a global event. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. Next one, this is your homework, complete it your own. Now match the words in column A with groups of words in column B and read the proverbs aloud. First one, birds of a feather. Birds of a feather flock together. A leopard cannot change its spots. A leopard cannot change its spots. A penny saved is a penny earned. Rolling stone gathers no moss. Person is known by the company he keeps. Next one, fill in the blanks with do not, does not, do, does and complete the sentences. Meena, with Meena we have to use does. Meena does not. Okay, Meena does not like to be friendly with naughty children. Mother does not scold me when I am careless and irresponsible. You can write mother does not or does. Okay. Third one, she likes to read horror stories. Then she is there. In question we have to use does or do with singular subject here. So we have to write does. Okay, does she like to read cut S here. Okay, does she like to read horror stories? Do they planned? What will come? Do they plan to burst crackers during Diwali? They do not. They do not. Now present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to indicate an action which is still going on at the time of speaking. Like the boy is playing here. To express an action which is taking place but is not going on at the time of speaking. Like example, I am attending yoga classes these days. Okay. To show an action which is expected to take place. For present continuous tense, we have to write to show an action which is expected to take place. Director is visiting our school tomorrow. To refer to a definite plan in future. She is buying a car next week. Okay, already planned. Now see one thing. We have to use some features of present continuous tense. I we have to use am or am not. We have to use are or are not. He, she, it we have to use is. Okay. With you we have to use are. They are. In negative, I am not, we are not, he is not, she is not, you are not, they are not. Okay. And always verb third form. First form of verb plus ing. Like I am reading, we are reading, he is reading, you are reading, they are reading. With if we have to write negative sentences, then I am not reading, we are not reading, she is not reading, you are not reading. Okay, understand? And to make questions, am I reading? Is he reading? Are we reading? Understand? Now, verb not used in the present continuous tense. These are some verbs which we generally do not use in the present continuous tense. Like verbs expressing feeling and emotion, like respect, love. Okay. Verbs of certain activities and mental states, like think, suppose, know. Verbs of sense, like hear, see. Verbs showing possessions, like own, belong. Other verbs like seem, appear, measure. These are some verbs which we generally do not use in the present continuous tense. These verbs do not describe action but mostly states. So they are also called non-action verbs. But if any of these verbs is used to indicate an action which we can begin or stop at will, we can use it in the present continuous tense. Example, I am measuring the length of this rope. A controlled action. Okay, I am measuring the length of this rope. This is when we use when it is a controlled action. Okay. Next one is fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs in the simple present and present continuous tense. First one, children should respect elders and avoid showing disrespect to them. Children showing respect elders and avoid showing. What will come? Showing. Second, stars twinkling at night. Twinkle is given in bracket, write twinkling. Stars twinkling at night. And I love watching them on a clear night. watching and twinkling. Okay, in place of twinkle write twinkling and watch watching. Baking cakes takes time. Baking cakes takes time, but I make them every Sunday. What will come? Make them every Sunday. These days I wake up early because I enjoy going for a morning walk. These days I wake up early because I enjoying for a morning walk. It B form is present tense, so it is the sports day today, and students are participating with great enthusiasm. Students are participating. Okay, next one, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express an action completed in the past but linked with the present. Okay, like the traffic police have declared a heavy penalty for those who violate traffic rules. Okay, this action is completed but linked with the present. To express an action that began in the past and is continuing in the present. Okay, started in past but continuing in the present, like she has lived in this room for 10 years. Continuing in the present. Okay, has lived in this house for 10 years. Now also she live in that house. To express an action that has just been completed. Okay, she has just finished her project. To express past event for which the exact time is not given. We have fulfilled our responsibility. To refer to news. The president has pardoned some convicted criminals. Words like yet, already, just can be used to express action in the present perfect tense. Like yet is used in negative sentence and question. She has not returned yet. Has the flight landed yet? Already used to express an action that happened earlier than was expected. She has already completed her assignment, though it has to be submitted next week. Just is used to indicate a very short time ago. I just spoke to grandma before you called me up. Form of present perfect tense is with I you have to use have. I have, we have, you have, they have. Okay, and with he she it we have to use has. He has, she has, it has. Okay, for negative I have not, we have not, you have not, they have not, and he has not, she has not, it has not. Okay, and always verb third form. In present perfect tense always verb third form, like I have eaten. And when you have to make it question sentence, then have I eaten, have we eaten. Okay, understand? Now fill in the blanks with verbs in the present perfect tense. Okay, then Aditi. With Aditi we have to use has. Okay, has, and join third form joined. I, with I we have to use I have, and read third form read. Okay, mother has cooked, COOKED, cooked. The teacher has distributed. Okay, now fill in the blanks with just, yet, or already. I told you that yet is used in negative sentence and question. Already is used to express an action that happened earlier than was expected, and just is used to indicate a very short time ago. Okay, now complete this. First one is, she has already polished her shoes for tomorrow morning. She has already. Second one, we have just finished. We have just finished. Sneha has already called up. Sneha has already called up. The children are playing. They are yet to go to bed. Okay. Next one, present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to emphasize the continuity of an action that began in the past and is still going on at the time of speaking. Okay, started at past but still going on at the time of speaking. Like present perfect tense. Okay, in present perfect also, to express an action completed in the past but linked with the present. In present perfect continuous tense, to emphasize the continuity of an action that began in the past and is still going on at the time of speaking. Like, she has been driving this car for years. They have been living in this permanent apartment for a long time. To express an action that finished a short while ago. They have been playing cricket since morning. Now, form of present perfect continuous. With I, we, you, they, we have to use have. Okay. In negative form, we have to use have not. With he, she and it, has not. Has not. And first we have to use has been, have been, and with verb first form we have to use ing. Okay. What are the forms of present perfect continuous tense? Has been or have been, verb first form plus ing. Okay, understand? Now use for since and for. For is used to indicate the time for which an action has been going on. For 2 hours, for a year, for ages, for a long time. Okay, for is used for action has been going on, time for which an action is going on. And since is used to indicate the point of time at which an action started. Like since 8, time already given, since childhood, since an early age, since 2010. Okay. Now next question is, fill in the blanks with for or since. Fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense form of verbs given in brackets. Present perfect continuous tense. I told you form of present perfect continuous. With we have to use have been plus verb first form of verb plus ing. Then what will come here? We have been waiting. What will come? We have been waiting. Second one also same. They have been reciting. Third one, I have been watching. Fourth one, she. With she we have to use she has not is there, then she has not been swimming. Okay, she has not been swimming. Dash they dash play. Then what will come? Have they. With they we have to use have. Then question make have they been playing in the sun for long? Have they, here have they been playing? Okay. Sixth one, she. Then what will come? Has she been shouting? Okay, first form of verb plus ing. Has she been shouting at her sister for nothing? Shouting at her sister for nothing. Seventh one, you have not been eating. With you we have to use have. Not is there, then you have not been eating fruits for week and it is not good. Seventh one, you have not been. You, then have, you have not. After not we have to write been. Then eat is given, then eating. You have not been eating. She, here eighth one she is there, then she we have to use here has. Has she not been sleeping for too long? Has she sleeping for too long? Has she not been sleeping for too long? Okay. Has she not been sleeping? Okay, understand? Now fill in the blanks with for or since. For is used to indicate the time for which an action has been going on, and since is used to indicate the point of time, okay, at which an action is starting. We have not slept yesterday. We have not slept yesterday. Okay, point of time is given. Then since yesterday. The baby has been sleeping 3 hours given, then for 2 hours, then what will come? For last night. Okay, last line point of time is given when action is started, then since will come. Difference between present continuous and present perfect tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking, and present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. Difference between, one example is there in your textbook. See here, I am reading. Okay, present continuous tense, I am reading. And present perfect continuous tense, his eyes are turning red. Present continuous tense. And he has been reading for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking, but present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. Okay, like he has been reading for 2 hours. The verb have can be used to show possession or to indicate an action or experience. Like the guests are having real fun. She has a good collection of books. He is having his breakfast. Eating an action. Okay. So the verb have can be used to show possession or to indicate an action or experience. Okay students, complete till here. Next exercise I will send you worksheet for that.